Alright, this is my Kukirin G2 and I've made a removable battery system because I hate those fucking stairs here and I don't want to carry 25 kilograms. So let me show you how it works. So I will open this up and yeah, so basically we have a carry here for this battery and I have unmounted this port and I can just carry the battery with this port. And to close all of this we have those latches here, I think it's called latches, and we have those kind of latches here for the front part. And all of this is 3D printed. This is 3D printed as well, this white thing, and it's PETG plastic from my 3D printer. And yeah, it works. Now to the details how it was done, because it wasn't super easy and maybe it can be also done better. I'm just a regular guy that started with 3D printing. The first issue was that this brake cable was going on top of the battery, so it was blocking the battery. And I moved this to the right side, but to move the battery a little bit to the left side, I had to trim some plastics here on this black battery cover so we can move the battery, because here, as you can see, we have those metal, I don't know what it is, and the battery has this black things vertical, so it was aligned there and I had to remove this one of those vertical plastic things from the battery so I could move it more to the left. And that was the first thing. So I moved the battery to the left and I put those two cables to the right side. This is like main power cable to the scooter, and the second is the brake cable. So that was the first thing. Of course, I need to fix it better. I will probably print some tube or something so it will be in place for those two cables. Now I moved those to the side and I made this carry handle for the battery. And small issue was with this because it was some kind of silicone around it, but I removed it with those things and I just unscrewed this and now it's away. So that's for the battery. And to just, if you want to remove the battery, you just need to unplug this for now. It's only this, but later you can make some quick that you set in and it's ready to go, like in e-bikes or something like this. So you have like quicker solution. But for me, this thing works. It's just like 2 seconds and that's it. I can live with this and maybe in, I don't know, a couple of days I will try to and investigate better solution. Now for this part, the deck, I can show you, we have some, I don't know if it's called latches, but as you can see, this is the back part. It goes here, and this is the front part. We have two of those. I need to make those like this one. It's already printing, and those two go here underneath. And I just printed this spring system so I can, pull here on the outside and I can release it. That means that someone can just open it with 2 seconds and he can just take my battery and run away. Later I will try to print some kind of 3D printed key. I know, some weird shape or something like this. So you need to put this key to pull this down, something like this, so it will be harder to steal the battery. But for now it works for me, just for now. And yeah, so that's basically it. If you have any questions or comments, I don't know, you can just leave a comment. Sorry about the mess and issues and everything, but yeah, it was quite a lot of work.